Hi there and welcome to the Keyzone Traders Trade of the Month for October. It's been a few months since I last did one of these Trade of the Months, but I just wanted to get back into the routine just to show how we look at the markets and how it can really help us identify real high probability areas in the market to take advantage of. So the trade that we're going to look at is this trade here. It was on oil. It was one that I put out into my academy course. You can see here, this is my academy community. I give out a trade idea of the day, one of the most high probability trade setups that I can see in the market at the day. I do that every single day, and this was one that we gave on the 8th of October in oil. And you can see we said that oil had seen an uptrend recently due to the instability in the Middle East. All the time this remains, we need to look for areas to get long from support. So we're not just blindly buying because we're in an uptrend. We still want to be able to identify the right areas to get long on pullback. So we've established our bias, but we still need to wait and exercise the patience for the right areas to give us the high probability trade. So, and I said, you can see how I said the best area for this at the moment is at the 72.17 to 72.47 area, which hasn't been retested since the breakout the previous Thursday. So let's go and take a look at the oil market from then. So this is the 1 hour chart on oil. You can see we've taken the price action back to October the 8th, so in replay mode. And you can see that we had two tests of this area to create a resistance zone here. So two fairly strong reactions, so we know that that's a good area of liquidity. We then broke up through here on Thursday the 3rd of October, but we hadn't retested this area yet. Now we know that often areas that have high amounts of liquidity will often be retested, and when they get retested, they can often see a reaction. So it was a clear area of resistance, nice clean area, two touches. Some might call it a double top because it's two reactions from the same area, but we've actually broken through. So this area here would be a good area to look for a long trade. So what would we do here? We can look to go long from this area. So look to go long from this zone. We have a stop below the zone, and we can just target sort of back towards this sort of area here. So you can see we've got sort of like a nice 2.5 to 1 risk to reward trade here. So as the market, trade played out, you can see that the market started moving down. We did see a small reaction from this area, but it wasn't one that we was actually really looking to get long for, because this was the one with the high probability reactions. It had the big reactions from it before, and it still hadn't been retested. So that was the high probability area. And as you can see, we've got a really strong push down into that area, and then a really nice, quick, strong reaction there. So it just goes to show, even when you see these downtrends, even if you see a strong move down, when you can tie it in with the overall structure of the market, and you can identify the right areas to actually execute your trades from, they can give you these really nice, strong, powerful trades. This was a really nice, quick 2.5 hour trade that you could have had just by being able to identify the right area in the market to actually enter the trades. Too many people blindly enter the markets. They establish their bias and they just blindly enter the markets without really looking for the highest probability area. You've got to remember that it is not any particular candlestick pattern or strategy that actually moves the market. Okay, it's the institutional order flow that moves the market. So we want to identify the areas that the institutional order flow is sitting, so the high liquidity areas, and those are the areas that we want to position ourselves in. Now, whether that's looking for candlestick patterns and signals from that zone, or whether you just use that as the area to enter, that is through personal choice and through your trade plan. My experience has been that I can identify these areas and I'm happy to go in blind, but if you look for some sort of reversal or signal pattern in there, that is absolutely fine as well, but it's got to be from these really high probability areas. So if you'd like to know more about how we identify this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a follow, or drop me an email, ross@keyzonetraders.com. I do also offer a free 15-minute coaching call. So if you would like to take me up on that, I will put the link in the box below on the YouTube channel. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give me a like, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.